class. This class is for class 9th and we are doing coordinate geometry chapter 19 and we were doing exercise 19.4. This class is in continuation to the previous class. In the previous class we have studied about the distance formula, how to find out the distance between 2 points when their coordinates are given, and that is D stands for distance, that is represented by x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square in roots or in under root. Now I move on to next question, that was question number 6. They say find the value of Q such that PQ is equal to QR. It is given PQ is equal to QR. And then they say where the coordinates of PQR are 6, minus 1, 1, 3 and x, 8. Coordinates of P is 3, 6, minus 1. Coordinate of Q is 1, 3 and coordinate of R is x, 8. So we have to find the value of x and it is given that PQ is equal to QR. So PQ is equal to QR, it means we will find the distance between PQ and we will find the distance between QR, and since these are equal, distances are equal, so we will equate the equivalents. So we can say first when we take PQ, PQ is the distance between the point P and Q. So this will be 6 will be considered as x1, 1 will be considered as x2. It means x1 minus x2 whole square plus minus 1 is y1 and 3 is y2. So x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. This is PQ and we will find QR. QR, so x1 y1, x2 y2, this way. So 1 minus x whole square plus 3 minus 8 whole square. 3 minus 8 whole square. Now since both of them are equal, it is given that PQ is equal to QR, so we can directly equate 6 minus 1 is 5 square plus minus 1 and minus 3 is minus 4, so minus 4 square can be equated to QR. QR is under root 1 minus x whole square and plus 3 minus 8 is minus 5, so minus 5 whole square. Now what we'll do while solving, first of all we need to remove the roots, so simply squaring both the sides, so these roots and roots will get cancelled. Now 5 square is 25 plus minus 4 square is 16. 16 is equal to 1 minus x whole square will be opened by the formula of a minus b whole square. So a square plus b square minus 2ab, so that is 2x, and plus minus 5 square is 25. So this 25 and this 25 cancelled, or this 25 goes to the other side, it becomes negative, so they will cancel. In any case they will cancel. This is 16 and this is 1. So we can say that it becomes x square minus 2x, and this 16 comes to this side, will become minus, and plus 1, so minus 15 is equal to 0. This becomes a quadratic equation, so we will try to find out the value of x. Now 15, 5 3s are 15 and 5 minus 3 is 2, so we can say it with by splitting the middle term, so minus 5x plus 3x. Minus 5 plus 3 will give you minus 2, and minus 5 into plus 3 will give you minus 15. Minus 15 is equal to 0. Now what we are going to do, in first group we will take x common, we are left with x minus 5, and in second we will take plus 3 common and we are again left with x minus 5 is equal to 0. So x plus 3 and x minus 5 is equal to 0. So in one case we will get x is equal to minus 3, in other case we will get x is equal to 5. So we will get two different values of x which satisfy, means the coordinates of point R can be, first coordinate can be written as minus 3, 8 and second coordinate can be written as 5, 8. So at these 2 points PQ will be equal to QR. Now we move on to the next question and we are going to take question number 8. Now question number 8, I'll read out the question, then I will explain it to you. It is find a relation between x and y. Find a relation between a point x and y. means there is any point whose coordinates are given. Abscissa is x and ordinate is y. So we have assumed let that point be denoted by P, capital P. It means I have written P is a point whose coordinates are x comma y. Means you have to find out a relation between x and y. Then they say which xy is equidistant from the point 7, 1 and 3, 5. This P is equidistant from point 7, 1 and the same point P is equidistant from 3, 5. It means the distance of PA is same as the distance of PB. So I have written find a relation between x and y such that PA is equal to PB. Means suppose here is a point P and here is a point A, here is a point B, A and B. So they say that PA and PB, these two distances are equal. So what are we going to do? We will find the value of PA, we will find the value of PB and then we will equate because it is given PA is equal to PB. So I am going to find out the value of PA first. PA will be again by distance formula. This will be x will be x1, y will be y1 and 7 will be x2, 1 will be y2. So x minus 7, x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square is your PA. Similarly, we will find the value of PB. PB will be under root. Now x minus 3 whole square, x1 minus x2. So x1 is x and x2 is 3. y1 is y, y2 is 5. So plus y minus 5 whole square. Now since PA and PB are equal, we will equate them. So we can say x minus 7 whole square plus y minus 1 whole square is equal to x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 5 whole square, and we'll put a root. Now first of all, how are we going to cancel the roots? Just squaring both the sides. So these roots will cancel. Now we'll open it. So we'll open it according to a minus b whole square. So a square plus b square minus 2ab, 7 to the 14x, plus a square, that is y square, plus 1 minus 2y is equal to, again, a square, that is x square, plus 3 square is 9, minus 3 to the 6x, plus y square plus 25 and minus 10y. So this y square and y square cancel, this x square and this x square cancel. Now we have 49 plus 1 is 50 minus 14x minus 2y. 49 and 150 minus 14x minus 2y is equal to 9 and 25 is 34. So 9 is also positive, 25 is also positive, so to positive 34, and then minus 6x and minus 10y. So this is minus 6x and this is minus 14x. So this will, minus 6 comes to the side, 8x we will left with 8x. Minus 10y comes to the side, it will become plus, so plus 8y. And 34, 50 is this side, 34 comes to the side, 10 minus 4 is 6 and 4 minus 3 is 1 is equal to 0. Now if we divide the whole equation by 8, so we will get 2 minus x plus y is equal to 0, or to make it proper we can write, we take everything to the other side or we just multiply by minus. So x minus y minus 2 is equal to 0 is the relation. We have to find the relation. We find a relation between x and y. So what is the relation? X minus y is equal to 2 or x minus y minus 2 is equal to 0. This is the relation that was required in this question. Now we move on to the next one, that will be the 9th one. Question number 9 is just same as the previous one, but because I have said so, I will be solving it. Now they say the x coordinate of a point P is twice its y coordinate. Means there is a point P whose coordinates can be taken as x comma y, where x is 2 times of y. It means it can also be written as 2y comma y. Means the coordinates of P basically are this given. Though we have taken let the coordinates of P be x comma y, but condition is given that x is equal to 2y. So in place of x we will put 2y. So now the coordinates will become 2y comma y. Then they say PQ is equal to QR, and the coordinates of Q are given and the coordinates of R are given. Now coordinates of Q are 2 comma minus 5 and coordinates of R are minus 3 comma 6. Minus 3 comma 6. So, and they say that PQ is equal to QR. Again the same situation. We'll find PQ and we'll find PR and we'll equate. So, I'm doing it directly this time. So, it is given that PQ is equal to QR. So, PQ can be written as under root x1 minus x2 means 2y minus 2 whole square plus y1 is y minus of minus 5 so this can be written as like this whole square is equal to QR. PQ is equal to QR. Now Q and R, it is given that PQ is equal to point P is equidistant from Q and R. Okay, P is equidistant from Q and R. It means PQ is equal to PR given. So here we will take P, not Q. Now PR. So x minus of minus 3 whole square plus y minus x raised to y. Later on I am putting it in place of x. I am writing 2y. X minus of minus 3 then plus y minus 6 whole square. Y minus 6 whole square. Now squaring both the sides, these root will cancel. When you open this, it will be a square. That will be 4y square plus 4 minus 2ab. 2 to the 4 to the 8y. Then plus y, and it will become minus and minus plus 5. So it will open with the a plus b whole square formula. So y square plus 5 into 5 is 25 and plus 5 to the 10y is equal to, now this again 2y plus 3 whole square. So 2y plus 3 means 4y square plus 9 and plus 3 to the 6 to the 12y plus y square plus 36 minus 6 to the 12y. So 4y square and 4y square cancelled, y square and y square cancelled. Now what is left? 26 and 4, 29. 4 and 25 is 29. Minus 8y plus 10y is plus 2y in the left hand side. Now this done, and all these done. Now we move on to 9 and 36 is 45. 45 and 12 minus 12. This 12y and this 12y. 6 to the 12, 2 3 the 6 to the 12 cancel. Is equal to 45. So you can say that 2y is equal to 45 minus 29. Now 9 and 6 is 15 and 3 minus 2 is 1. 2y is equal to 16. 2y was the value of x. Implies that we know that 2y was what? X, or you can say x is equal to 2y. So implies that x is equal to 16, and we can say y is equal to 16 upon 2, that is 8. So value of y is 8. So the coordinates of point P come out to be x comma y, that is 16 comma 8 is the final value. Now next question I am taking, question number 10. I hope by the time you would have understood how to solve the questions. So in the later on coming questions, I will not be solving the whole question. I will be just giving you the hint how to solve it. Now we move on to question number 10. If points A and B are on a circle. Now let this be a circle. Now point A is somewhere here on the circle and its coordinates are given 4, 3. 4, 3, and let's suppose somewhere here is the point B and they say its coordinates are given x, 5. X, 5. They say find the value of x if the points A 4, 3 and B x, 5 are on the circle with center 2, 3. This is the center of the circle O and its coordinates are 2, 3. You have to find out the value of x. It means OA is equal to OB. Why? Because both of them are radius. From center to the circumference a line is drawn and that is the radius. So it is already given that OA is equal to OB. So we will simply find out the distance between both these points OA and OB, and we will equate them because both of them are equal, because both of them are the radius of the same circle. So directly I am doing it. Under root O will be considered as x1 y1, means so this will be x2 y2 and then again this will be x2 y2. So 2 minus x whole square, 2 minus x whole square plus 3 minus 5 whole square will be equal to 2 minus 4 whole square and plus 3 minus 3 whole square. 2 minus 4 whole square, 3 minus 3 whole square. So root cancel by squaring both the sides. This will be a square 4 plus b square x square minus 2 to the 4x plus 3 minus 5 is 2, minus 2 square is plus 4, so plus 4. 2 minus 2, 2 minus 4 is minus 2, minus 2 square is 4, and plus this is all 0, so either you write or you don't write, it hardly matters. Now this 4 and this 4 cancels, so we are left with x square minus 4x plus 4 is equal to 0. Now if you look at this expression properly, you can easily make out that this is a square plus b square minus 2ab. Even you can factorize it or directly you can write it x minus 2 whole square is equal to 0, implies that x minus 2 is equal to 0, implies that x is equal to 2. Or if you feel problem or if it doesn't strikes you, then we will factorize 4. 4 can be written as 2 into 2 and in minus 4x can be broken as minus 2x and minus 2x. I am doing this side. This can be written as x square minus 2x and plus 4 is equal to 0. From first you can take common x, that is x minus 2. Again in the next you can take minus 2 common, that is again x minus 2 is equal to 0 left. So when you take x minus 2 common, you are again left with x minus 2 is equal to 0. So finally in any case you will always get x minus 2 whole square is equal to 2 is equal to 0. So that is what it is written here, x minus 2 square is equal to 0. So x minus 2 will be taking root both the sides. So this will be x minus 2 is equal to 0, root of 0 is 0 only. So x is equal to 2. That is the final value of this question. Now we move on to next question, that will be question number 13. Now next question 13 I have taken. They say if the center of the circle C is represented by 2 alpha minus 1 and 3 alpha plus 1 and it passes through the point A minus 3 comma minus 1 and the diameter of the circle is 10 units, find the value of alpha. So again it is the same question. Now suppose this is a circle. On this there is a point A, that is minus 3 comma minus 1, and suppose this is the center C of the circle and the points and the coordinates of center C is 2 alpha minus 1 and 3 alpha plus 1, and they say that the diameter of this circle is 10 units. It means that radius will be 5 units. If radius is given, it means this distance is given. You know the distance, you know the coordinates, only you have to find out the value of alpha. There is only the calculation part is there. That is what you have to do. They say diameter is equal to 20 units. It is given in the book, diameter is 20 units. So radius will become half of 20, that is 10 units. So this distance or this radius will come out to be 10 units. Now we know that AC is that distance, can be written as, because the points are given. So x1, x2, y1, y2. x1 is 2 alpha minus 1. This is x1. And then minus of minus 3 whole square. This total will be considered as x1 and this total will be considered as y1. This is x2 and y2. So x1 minus x2, this is x1 minus x2 whole square, plus y1. y1 is again 3 alpha plus 1 minus y2 of minus 1 and its whole square. Now AC is given to you how much? 10. So this can be written as 10 is equal to 2 alpha minus 1 and plus 3. Minus 1 plus 3 will be 2 alpha plus 2. Plus 3 minus 1 plus 2 and then its whole square, plus 3 alpha plus 1 and one more plus 1. So 3 alpha plus 2 whole square. 3 alpha plus 2 whole square and then in roots. Now what we can say, squaring both the sides. When we square both the sides, this 10 will become 10 square, that is 100, and this root vanishes off. So a plus b whole square is a square, 4 alpha square plus b square, that is 4, plus 2ab, 2 to the 4 to the 8 alpha, plus a plus b whole square, 3 is a 9 alpha square, plus 2 to the 4, plus 3 to the 6 to the 12 alpha. Now alpha square 4 and 9 is 13 alpha square. 8 alpha and 12 alpha is plus 20 alpha and 4 is 8, plus 8 is equal to 100. So this can be written as 13 times alpha square plus 20 alpha minus 92 is equal to 0. Now this has to be factorized and then you can find out the value of alpha. So I have solved till this point. Now you have to solve it with the help of factorization. That was you will use splitting the middle term. So I am not continuing, I am not trying to find out the value of alpha. I am leaving it to you all, and you will all do this question in your notebooks, as you know that you will be doing all the odd numbered questions in your notebook. So that is all in the class. In the next class, 10 questions are left. So we'll be doing in the multiples of 2 or 3. I'll see whichever is important for you, that I'll be explaining it to you. So meet you in the next class. Till then, stay blessed, stay safe, stay healthy, keep on studying. Thank you a lot.